Hello.
Hello.
Ah, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
ವಿಷ್ಣು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ
Did you try any problems what we have done?
Yes, sir.
You could repeat the same problems at least.
Yes, sir. I had repeated the same problem, sir. Yesterday's graph and day before yesterday's matrix ka things.
Now, can you tell me what is a matrix?
1 minute. Sir. So matrix is singular. Matrices is plural.
Hmm.
The size of the matrix is m into n,
Hmm.
which is m means the number of rows and n means the number of columns.
So that means the matrix is an arrangement of data
Data
or
or information
information
in the form of rows
in the
and
form
columns.
of rows and columns. What is important is the number of rows and number of columns need not be equal. They may be
Yes, sir.
equal, they need not be equal.
Yes, sir.
So if we are talking of one matrix, that matrix is called singular form.
Yes, sir.
Matrices is plural form. So two or more matrices, we will say. So every data or information of a matrix is called an element of the matrix.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you want to note down, every data or information of a matrix is known as element of the matrix. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
ಹಾಂ. The total number of elements in a matrix is equal to product of number of rows and number of columns. You can write that also. Total number of elements. Total number of elements. ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ವಾ?
ಬರ್ಕೊಂತ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಹಾಂ. Total number of elements in a matrix is equal to product of number of rows and number of columns. Total number of elements in a matrix
Going
is
to the
equal to the product of the number of rows and the number of columns.
Yes.
So that means number of rows is m, number of column is n. So m into n will give the total number of elements. M multiplied by n. Size of a matrix is always written as that number of rows into number of columns. We write it just below the matrix.
Yes,
We have already written in the examples.
yes, sir.
Now here, this is a matrix of size m rows and n columns.
Yes, sir.
So all the rows are not written because how many rows, how many columns are there is not specified. So rows are always numbered from top. So this is the first row. So this first number here indicates the row number. So row number is 1. That is the first number is 1 for all numbers in the first row.
Yes, sir.
This is row number 2. So first number is the row number.
Yes, sir.
So second row, all the numbers have the same subscript. So these are called subscripts. So this is double subscripts. One is for the row number, another is
Yeah.
for the column number.
Yes, sir.
So here is written Aij.
Yes, sir.
So I is the row number, J is the column number.
Yes, sir.
See, I is the first number written, it is the row number, and J is the column
Column.
number. So I value will be 1 for all elements on the first row.
Yes, sir.
I is equal to 2 for all elements in the second row. I is equal to 3 for all elements in the third row.
Yes, sir.
Now J is 1 for first column.
Yes, sir.
All of them will have number 1. J is equal to 2 for all elements in the second column.
Yes,
J is 3 for the all elements of the third column.
yes, sir.
Like that, this AMN means it is the row number M and column number N.
Yes, sir.
So Aij, where I and J we give different values, all are called elements.
Yes, sir.
So each one is an element of this matrix.
Yes,
So
sir.
when you write the bracket like this and the letter, we read it as matrix A.
Yes, sir.
So element of matrix A. We read like that. Example, if you take A23, where it should come?
8, 2, 3.
Ah,
It will come in the column of in the place of 5.
now where it will come in this matrix? It will
In
come
which
in
matrix? A2.
it will come in the second row
Second.
and third column.
A2, 3. Okay, sir.
So 2 is
EIG.
this one, second row. In the second row, it comes in the third column.
Third column.
So like that, suppose you write A32, where it will come?
It comes in the third row, second column.
Correct. So it is coming here in the third row and in the
Second.
second column there. So using these numbers, we'll be able to identify the position of the element in the matrix.
Yes, sir.
So these numbers representing this I and J, they are called subscripts. So this is like main script. It is written slightly below that, so it is called subscript. So it is like main office and sub office. Inspector,
Okay.
sub-inspector, like that. So it is written slightly below. See, A23 is coming here. It is coming in the second row and the third column.
Yes, sir.
So at the intersection of which that number will be there.
Okay, sir.
Second row and the third column. Now, this is a matrix of size how much?
2 into 2.
It is 2 by 2 matrix. That is, number of rows are also 2. Number of columns are also
So 2.
2. So, m into n means, in this case, it is n into n.
N into N.
N into n means we can write n square also.
Okay, sir.
So, n is 2, therefore total number of elements will be 2 square.
Okay.
So, 2 square means it is
4.
4. So, you can see there are 4 elements. This is 1, this is another one, this is another one, this is another one.
Yes, sir.
So, size of this matrix is always written here below the matrix, like this.
Okay, sir.
So, in the book, they will not use these brackets here. But handwriting, you always write this so that it represents the matrix.
Okay, sir.
Handwriting you write. In the book, they may not write.
Yeah.
So, it is also called square matrix because number of rows and number of columns both are equal.
Yes, sir.
So, it is also called a square matrix.
Okay.
So, this is also a square matrix, but it has got how many rows, how many columns?
It has got 3 into 3.
That is, it has got 3 rows and 3 columns. So, this is the first row,
3 square.
this is the second row, this is the third row. Like that, first row, first column, second column,
No.
third column. So, total number of elements will be n square, which is 3 square, that is 9.
Yes, sir.
So, n is equal to number of rows are also equal to number of columns because m and n are equal here.
Yes, sir.
So, this is also a square matrix. It has got 4 rows and 4 columns.
Yes, sir.
So, here m is 4, n is 4. So, instead of using m and n separate letters, we will use n is equal to 4, which is number of rows, which is also equal to number of columns.
Yes, sir.
So, total number of elements, if you count here, how many
16.
are there? It will come to n square, that is 4 square or
4
16.
square is 16.
So, size of the matrix, we write it below the matrix here. Here also written like this. So, in the book, without the bracket, they may write A is equal to this matrix. But in handwriting, you always write enclosing in this type of bracket so that it will be clear to us that what we are representing A is a matrix here.
Okay.
Similarly, if you write A and 2 vertical bars, then it is called the determinant.
Yes.
If we don't write anything and simply write A means, it may be, it is like area of a circle or age of a father, age of a son, something like that.
Yes, sir.
Now, if we have m is equal to 1, there is only one row,
Yes, sir.
but columns are there. But column is not visible here, but we'll know that these are in columns.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this has got one row and 4 columns.
1 into 4 is 4.
So this is called the row matrix because only row is there.
Yes, sir.
So you write this A enclosed with the square brackets here is equal to like this. This is the example of a row matrix.
Okay, sir.
So here m and n are different. So m is 1, n is 4.
Yes, sir.
So total number of elements are product of m and n,
Okay.
which is 1 into 4 in this case is equal to 4. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
Now this is a matrix which looks like only having one column, but there are several rows. First row, second row, third row, fourth row. So the size we write here is m by n. So m is 4, n is 1. So m is number of rows. Number of rows are 4 and number of columns is only one column.
Oh, yes, sir.
So the total number of elements here, if we count, it comes equal to the product of m and n, which is 4
Yes.
into 1 is equal to 4.
Yes, sir.
So by appearance, it looks like a column, like column of a building or an electric pole or a telephone pole or any pillar like that, vertical pillar. So it is
Okay.
called a column matrix.
Okay.
Now, this has got rows and columns, but they are not equal. So it has got 4 rows and 2 columns.
Yes, sir.
So first row, second row, third row, fourth row.
Yes, sir.
This is first column, this is second column.
Yes, sir.
So the second number always indicates the column here, where the number is there.
Yes, sir.
First number will indicate the row. So row changes here. First, second, third, fourth.
Yes, sir.
Second number is 1, means all are in the first column.
Yes.
So total number of elements are 4 into 2. That is m into n is equal to
Yes,
8.
sir.
So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 elements are there. So because of this not equal number of rows columns, it looks like a rectangle. So it is called rectangular matrix shape. Now in this case also, number of rows are not equal to number of columns. So there are 3 rows and 4 columns. So it looks like a rectangle, therefore it is called a rectangular
Rectangular matrix.
matrix. The total number of elements is equal to product of the row and column. So that means it will be 12 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, another 4 and another 4. So totally there are 12 elements.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is called rectangular matrix. This is also a rectangular matrix. It has got only 2 rows and 3 columns. So this is first row and this is second row.
Yeah.
This is first column, second column,
Second column,
third column.
third column.
So total number of elements are 6, which is the product of 3 into 2.
Yes, sir.
So because of the shape, it is called the rectangular matrix.
Yes, sir. 2 into 3.
Now, what about this one? This is also a rectangular matrix. It has got 3 rows and 2 columns.
Yes, sir.
So total number of elements is equal to 6, which is the product of that 3 into 2.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So because of the shape, it is called rectangular matrix.
Yes,
Only the number of rows, number of columns are equal, it is called square matrix.
Yes, sir.
Now, we will use the term algebraic addition. Algebraic addition of matrices. So, in algebra, addition means it can be including subtraction also,
Yes, sir.
because it is the plus and minus sign we have to carefully account for when simplifying problems.
Yeah.
So we can have any number of matrices here. If the sizes are same, size of all the matrices are same, then we can add matrix one to the another like this, and also it means we can subtract also.
Yes, sir.
So addition or subtraction,
Okay.
that is possible only when the sizes are same.
Plus, minus, plus.
So here I have given this plus this minus this I have given,
Yes,
but
sir.
there can be even more also. Now, whatever the result is there, simplifying what you get here, that also will have the same size.
Yes, sir.
So individual matrices to be added or subtracted, what they must be of the same size, and resulting matrix is also of the same size.
Yes, sir.
If the sizes are different, we cannot add or subtract.
Yes, sir.
So one important thing is, for addition, sizes must be same.
Same.
Then we will add corresponding elements algebraically. Means we take care of the plus minus sign carefully. Now, for this matrix A, if the element is Aij, then corresponding item here will be Bij, corresponding items here is Cij, this in this case Dij.
Di.
So, for every value of I and j, you have different elements here, different here, different here, different here.
Yes, sir.
So, corresponding elements we will add or subtract. So, if it is plus, it may mean addition. But if the number here is negative, then it will be automatically negative.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, here I can put minus sign. If inside this matrix, if there is a negative number, when multiplied, it will become positive number.
Yes.
So that is why we call it as algebraic addition of matrices. So sign is very important when you simplify that.
Okay.
Example, you take this problem. Given A is equal to 2 minus 5, 8, and horizontally right, it is a row matrix.
Yes, sir.
B matrix B is equal to minus 3, 5, minus 7.
Yes, sir.
Matrix C is equal to 7, minus 2, 6.
Yes, sir.
Now, find the value of D, which is equal to A plus B minus C. That is, result is matrix D, it is equal to matrix A plus matrix B minus matrix C.
Yes, sir.
That is how we will read it. Now, whether you can do this problem,
Yes, sir.
just try, let us see.
Yes.
So A, B, C, they must be of the same size. Then only you can add or subtract. and result also will have the same size.
Sir, now we should first write the determinants.
Huh?
We should first write the determinants, sir.
What is that?
We should first write the determinants, sir.
No. It is just adding
Okay.
corresponding elements. I gave the formula, you know.
Yeah.
Aij is equal to Bij plus Cij plus Dij. If there is a minus sign, it will be minus Dij.
Okay, we should write it as Aij is equal to.
If plus is there, you keep plus. If minus is there, you put minus. Yesterday we did actually. I don't know whether you have followed or not. That's why I am giving again. So how do you find this one?
So now we should write D is equal to A13. Are you audible, sir?
No. See, I gave the formula now. You have to use this one.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Aij is equal to Bij plus Cij minus Dij in that problem. Now, I and j you have to give different values.
Yeah,
and
that's only I was asking.
write the corresponding elements there. So
Yes, sir.
you will get how many values like that for this problem? It has got 1 row and 3 columns.
3 columns.
So how many elements are there?
9.
9. So you will find 9 values here. First one will be A11. Then you have to find A12. Then A13. Then A21, A22, A23. No, A22 will not come. A11 only.
Yes, sir.
So you will get only first row. So you will have 3 values like this. You will get A11, A12, A13.
Okay.
So A11 is B11 plus C11 minus D11 for that problem.
Okay.
So write the see Dij is Aij plus Bij minus Cij. So that means you have to find out D11, D12, D13. 3 items will come. Because each matrix is of size 1 row and 3 columns. So total elements are 3 only. 1 into 3 is 3.
Okay.
So you write like this. Substitute A is equal to 1, J is equal to 1. You will get D11 is equal to A11 plus B11 minus C11.
Okay.
Then write the corresponding values from looking at the given matrices. So simply don't copy. You just think over what you are doing. You are selecting the first row, first column element of all the 3 matrices, and we are adding them or subtracting them depending on the sign as well as the formula that is given.
Yes, sir.
In this case, A and B are added, plus sign is there. Result Cij is subtracted. But this add or subtract depends on this number sign also.
Yes, sir.
So you have to carefully take the plus or minus sign and simplify that.
Okay.
So what will you get for D11?
D11 is equal to 6.
What about D12?
We should find it out, sir.
Find out.
We should. D12 is equal to A11.
A11 alla, it is A12.
A12. A12 plus B12 minus C12
Correct.
is equal to minus 5 minus 5 minus plus minus 5 plus minus 5.
Where is minus 5 plus minus 5?
Oh, sorry, sir. Minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 and minus 5.
Where is another minus 5?
Sir, in formula they were given plus, no, sir. A12 plus B12. The first one is minus 5. Right, in the second column.
It is not column. You are making calculation step. It is
Minus 5.
see D12 is equal to what did you write?
A12 plus B12 minus C12.
Then equal to write the value of A12 plus write the value of B12 minus write the value of C12.
Okay. So D12 is equal to 2, sir.
No.
1 minute.
How did you write?
D12 is equal to A12 plus B12 minus C12 is equal to minus 5 5 minus 5 plus 5 minus of minus 2.
Where is minus of minus 2?
So in the, sir, 1 minute.
So what did you substitute?
1 minute, sir. Minus 5 plus 5 after that minus 2
Minus of minus 2 because we asked for minus here and it is here minus is there.
Minus 2 is also there, no?
So minus of this minus will become plus 2.
So its answer is plus 2.
It will become plus 2.
Plus 2. Answer. D12 is equal to 2.
Because it will be 7 here minus 5. 7 minus 8 is equal to 2. Okay, correct.
Next we should find
D13.
A13 plus B13 minus C13 equal to 8 plus minus 7 minus 6 is equal to minus 5 is the answer.
Correct. So
Yes.
next you write what is the matrix D.
Matrix.
So matrix D is equal to
matrix D is equal to
within the bracket you have to write D11, D12, D13. There is no plus or minus we are writing there.
yes sir.
There is space, but numbers can be negative or positive number.
Yes sir.
So how much you got?
1 minute, sir. D is equal to D11, D12, D13. No, sir.
D11, how much you got?
6.
No. That is where you are making. See, what did you substitute for D11?
2 minus 3 plus 7.
There is no plus 7 coming. What we have asked to calculate was D is equal to A plus B minus C.
1 minute.
So, inside C, the number is
Minus
7.
2.
So, first one will be
2.
2. This will be,
Plus minus 3.
that means how much?
1 minute. 2 plus minus 3. Minus 8. Answer.
No. How much you got? First is 2.
Yes, sir.
Then,
Plus of minus 3. Minus 7.
correct. So, it becomes minus 10 and plus 2, which is equal to minus 8.
Yes.
What about second one?
2.
What about the third one?
Minus 5.
So, what is D now? Matrix D is equal to what?
D is equal to minus 8
Ah,
to minus 5.
you have to write that in in bracket, matrix
Sure.
form symbol. Now you take this problem. A is equal to 2 minus 3, 4. It is a column matrix.
Yes, sir.
The size of all the matrices are same. It is 3 rows, 1 column.
Okay.
So A is 2 minus 3, 4. B is minus 7, 9 minus 5.
Yes, sir.
C is 6 minus 4, 4. Now find D, which is equal to A plus B minus C.
Yes, sir. So D11 is equal to
Ah,
1 minute. D11 is equal to 2
ah,
plus of minus 3.
no.
Sir, 2 plus of minus 3 times, sir.
No. See, these are the matrices which are given, which have 3 rows and 1 column.
Yes.
So, what is your formula?
PIG is equal to AIG plus PIG is equal to minus CIG. Sorry.
You write that one.
Yes, sir, I have written.
So, Dij is equal to
AIJ
ah,
plus BIJ
ah,
minus CIJ.
Now, when you write D11, what value you are substituting for I and J?
What value we are substitution for I and J.
When you write D11,
Yes, sir.
what is I value, what is J value?
1 and 1.
So that you have to write in the right hand side also. What it will become?
D11
Is equal to
D11.
you're
Is
starting.
equal to 2.
No, this formula you write in the numbers. Did you write this
D11 is equal to A11
Ah,
plus B11 minus C11. I have written it, sir.
now D11 equal to, write the values for the A11, B11, C11.
Yes, sir. So A11 is 2. Then plus B11 is minus 3.
Where is minus 3?
Sir, a column ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ sir?
No. See, you are writing B11 means what?
B11 is equal to A11 plus B11 minus C11. Yeah.
Now what is A11?
2.
2. What is B11?
B11 minus 5.
No. B11 means what is the meaning?
D11 means
when you write Aij, what is I, what is J?
1, 1.
What do you call them?
I is M and J is N. Row and column.
Row number, column number.
Yeah.
So what is B11?
B11 is 1 is row and 1 is column. Yeah.
What is that element?
Means, sir, sorry.
Where is that element? B11, where it is?
Formula ದಲ್ಲಿ sir.
Formula ಅಲ್ಲ, problem ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Problem is given.
Sir, ಅಲ್ಲಿ D11 ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ sir problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
D11 we are finding.
Yeah. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು.
So A11, B11, C11, they are all in the given problems.
Yeah.
So what is A11?
A11 is 2. ತಾನೆ sir?
How do you find that one?
ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರೋದು A is equal to 2 minus 3, 4.
That is okay.
ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವ?
That is okay. But now A11 is which one?
A11 is the first column, first element.
First row, first column.
First row, first column.
What is B11?
Second row for second column.
B11.
B11. First row, second column.
Where is second column coming? B11 when you write, what is the meaning?
A11 is first row, first column. First row, first column. B11 is
which row, which column?
Second row, first column.
No.
Second row, second column.
No. See, we are writing B11.
Yeah, sir.
11 means what?
It's an element.
11
rows
is not
and
element.
Rows and columns.
No. 11 is not element. B11 is element.
Yeah, sir.
11 refers to
row, row and number of columns.
Number of columns, number of rows ಅಲ್ಲ, row number and column number. ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, there are different, meaning is different. So B11 is in which row and which column?
First row
and first column.
First column.
Where is that one?
Sir, ಇವಾಗ A11 first row first column ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು.
Of which one? See, there are 3 matrices given in the problem.
Yeah, sir.
Have you written down that one?
2 minus 3, 4.
Have you written that problem correctly?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Matrix A is equal to your return.
Yeah, sir.
Matrix B is equal to your return.
Yeah, sir.
Matrix C is equal to your return.
Yes, sir.
Now A11 means what?
A11 is first row first column.
Of which matrix?
A matrix.
A matrix. How much is that?
2.
That is correct. Now what is B11?
It's the first B. It's the second.
Where is second coming?
Second row. No, sir. It's in the second column. Second column in the B matrix.
No. A1 B11 is what?
It's in the B matrix, sir.
What is B11?
Second row first column.
Where is second row coming?
Sir, B matrix first row first column. Yeah. -7.
B11 when we write B11.
Yes, sir.
It refers to what is row number, what is column
Yeah.
number.
First row first column.
Of matrix B.
B -7.
Correct.
-311. It's 6. So
C11 is which row,
6.
which row, which column?
First row first column.
Of matrix C.
C. Yeah.
Of matrix C. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಈಗ?
Yeah, sir.
Don't simply add some numbers, that's why I want you to understand. That's why I have given this repeating again. So now what will be the answer now?
-11. -11.
How?
2 plus of -7 -6.
Correct. So it became how much?
-11.
Correct. Now find out like that. What is
D12?
D21?
D12 alwa, sir.
D1, how can you find D12?
D21 now. Sir, D11 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ D12 ತಾನೆ ಬರೋದು.
See, this matrix given.
I got it, sir. I got it. Yes.
Matrix is given such a way that first number is
Column.
A11.
Yeah.
So next one it will become
D21.
A21.
A21. Yeah.
So therefore we get D21.
D21 in that A21 is -3 of matrix A plus the matrix B is 9. It's 9. Then again minus in the C matrix of -4 is equal to is 10.
Correct. So like that you have to find the D31.
Yeah.
So D31 is equal to what? A31 plus
A
B31
plus B31 minus C31.
You have to write the step, then you will understand what it is. First you write the formula.
So the answer is -5.
That will be 4 minus of minus. It will be plus of -5
-4.
-4. So it will become -5. So what is the D matrix now?
D matrix is -11, 10 and 5
Where you will write?
in the brackets.
Brackets are A, but where? How do you write? Horizontal, vertical?
Horizontal.
No.
Vertical.
Because given matrices are
Vertical.
all vertical matrix,
Yeah.
the result of addition subtraction will be of the same size.
Yes, sir.
So if individual matrices given are having 3 rows, 1 column,
Yes,
the
sir.
result of adding or subtracting is also 3 rows and 1 column.
Yes, sir.
So therefore it must look vertically one below the other.
Yes, sir.
You're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Now you do another problem I will give you.
Okay.
Say matrix A is equal to -3, 4, -6. It is vertically you write. So it is 3 rows by 1 column. Write the size also below.
Vertically, sir.
That means 3 rows and 1 column.
A is equal to
A is equal to -3, 4, -6. This is 3 rows and 1 column.
yeah.
So they will come one below the other.
Okay. B and C column, sir.
Huh?
B and C column.
No, matrix B, there are separate items. It is not the column coming there. A is only having,
I got it, sir.
A is having 1 column,
Yeah.
having 3 rows.
Yeah.
And the numbers are -3, 4, -6. Now
we should
matrix,
write it.
Matrix B, to take
Sir,
this
we should
number.
write it horizontally or vertically, sir.
No, rows means each number in the row will come on a separate line. Column means they come in the same vertical line.
Okay.
So if you say we have 3 rows and 1 column, how do you write?
3 rows means 3 horizontal and 1 vertical. Means the other are vertical.
That means all numbers will be vertical. They come one below the other.
Yeah. So -3 will be in the top, and after -3, below -3 it will be 4. Below -3, 4. And below 4 is -6.
Correct. So that is the matrix A.
Yeah.
Now matrix B is, you write like this. 9
Yeah.
-7,
6. -5.
9 -7, 5. That is also 3 rows and 1 column.
Yes, sir.
Because if they are not of the same size, we cannot add or subtract.
Yes, sir.
Then matrix C,
Yes, sir.
it is -6, 4, -5.
Okay.
This is also 3 rows, 1 column. Now find matrix D, which is matrix A minus matrix B plus matrix C.
A minus B plus C. Okay.
Matrix D is equal to matrix A minus matrix B plus matrix C. So how will you write? Dij
A11 minus B11 plus C11.
Dij is equal to Aij minus Bij plus Cij.
Cij.
Now for each value of that you have to write separately, otherwise you will not understand. So D11 is equal to write, D21 is equal to write, D31 is equal to write. What will you write for D11?
D11 is equal to
Ah.
A11 minus B11 plus C11.
Like that. D21 means
D21 is equal to A21 minus B21 plus C21.
Then D31
A31 minus B31 plus C31.
Now write the values of A11, B11, C11. and simplify. So D11, how much it will come?
Okay. 3 minus 9 so 12.
See, D11, D21, etc. You are not enclosing in any bracket.
Yes, sir. It's minus 18.
So how do you get?
Minus 3 minus 9 plus of minus 6. It's minus 18.
Correct.
D21 is 4 minus of minus 7 plus 4. 4 minus of minus 7 is plus 4, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 11. So the answer will be 15.
No. Check how much it is.
Sir, 15. Sir.
Then D31.
Yes. Minus 16.
Correct. So how do you write D matrix D is equal to?
D is equal to vertical line minus 18, 15, minus 16.
Correct. You are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Now you take another problem.
Yes, sir.
So matrix A
Yeah.
has got 2 rows, 2 columns.
Yes, sir.
So numbers in the first column are minus 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Numbers in the second column are 3 and minus 4.
Yes, sir.
Matrix B is equal to, it is a 2 rows, 2 column matrix.
Yes, sir.
So it is 5 minus 8 in the first column,
Yes, sir.
minus 2, 6 in the second column.
Okay, sir.
Then matrix C
Yes, sir.
is equal to minus 4, minus 3
Yes,
in
sir.
the first column, 7, 9 in the second column. So that is also 2 rows and 2 columns.
Okay.
Now find matrix D. It is equal to A plus B plus C. Matrix A plus matrix B plus matrix C is matrix D.
So D11 is equal to A11 plus B11 plus C11 is equal to minus 1 plus sir minus 1 plus 5 plus minus 4.
Correct.
So the answer is 0.
Correct.
D12
Ah,
A12 plus B12 plus C12
ah,
2 plus minus 8
no.
okay. 3 plus minus 2
Ah,
plus 7.
correct.
is 8. D1 3. D1 3.
Where is D1 3?
Sir, ಬರೀ ಇಷ್ಟೇನಾ ಮಾಡೋದು?
No, see, I am trying to find out, have you understood the row number, column number?
Yes, sir.
So, now what you have calculated? D11,
D11, D12.
D12. Now, what is the next item you want to calculate?
E11, sir.
D11, D12 you have already found. So,
Right.
how many elements are there in matrix D? What is the
Matrix
size?
D.
What is the size of matrix A?
2 into 2.
What is the size of matrix B?
2 into 2.
Size of matrix C?
2 into 2.
So, what is the size of matrix D?
2 into 2.
Now, what you have calculated, where it will come? You have calculated
We come to the first column.
D11, D12 you have found.
Yeah.
So, where it will come in the matrix D?
Matrix D is equal to 0 and 8. Means it comes below 0 and 8. Means
See, D11 means where will you mark in the matrix D?
first column, sir. First row, first column.
First row, first column you write. What
Yeah.
will you write there?
0.
Next, what are you finding?
D12.
Where it will come?
Second row, first column.
How it will go to second row?
First column, second. First row, first column.
First row?
First row, second column. 0 and 8.
So where will you write the D12
E12.
value? Where will you write in the matrix D?
It will come in first row, second column.
So what is the next you have to find?
D13.
There is the 13. Where is 13?
E12, sir. E11.
That we have already found.
Yeah. Next we should find 3 and the below part, sir. Next column.
How do you call that number? Row number, column number?
Again it's D21. D21 is equal to 2 plus minus 8.
You first write the formula.
A12 plus B12 plus C12.
No. See,
A21 plus B21 plus C21.
first you write that, then corresponding numbers you write.
The corresponding numbers are 2 plus minus 8. Minus 8. Plus minus 3. Minus 9.
Correct. Next, what you have to find?
D22.
Write the
equal to
formula. Write the formula.
A22 plus B22 plus C22. Minus 4 plus minus 2 plus 6 minus 4 plus 6 plus 9. 11.
Correct.
So D is equal to 0, 8 minus 9, 11.
How do you write?
First row, First row, first column is 0. First row, second column is 8. Then again, first row, second row, first column is -9. Second row, second column is 11.
Correct. Now you have understood now what is row number, column
Yes,
number.
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
Okay. Now you take another problem.
Sir, excuse me, sir. ಸರ್ ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ದಿವಸ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ವೈಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಅದು 8:20ಗೆ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್.
ಸೈಜ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
AIJ means I is the row number,
J is the column number.
ಅದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು you have to, and it belongs to matrix A.
Yes sir.
See, capital letter A enclosed in the bracket, we called it as matrix. So small number A, IJ means that is the element of that matrix.
Yes sir.
So you must locate
yes sir.
where will be the element in the matrix by looking at the row number and column number.
Yeah sir.
Only column number you should not tell. Only
yes,
row number you should not tell. You have to tell both.
Yes sir.
It comes in the first column means where it will come in the first column. You have to tell the row also.
Yeah.
That is why AIJ will come. One number is for the row, another for the column. First number is always for row.
Yes sir.
So A31 means what row and what column?
A31. Third row, first column.
Correct. So A32.
Third row, second column.
Correct. A23.
Second row, third column.
Like that you have to understand. Then only now you will be able to do. Otherwise, you simply write something and it will not be the problem that is given you are answering.
Yes sir. Yes, sir. Okay sir.
Now you have followed?
Yes sir.
Okay, so tomorrow this actually I have a conference, so not possible.
Okay.
So these things you practice and Monday we will continue.
Okay sir.
But you must practice at least same time you should sit and work.
Okay sir, no problem.
Because otherwise if you say time is not there, like that missing.
Yes sir. I'll practice it too.
Yeah, why I am afraid is if I simply do next lesson without you understanding, and it will not be useful. I want to know what exactly you have understood,
Yeah sir.
and what I have actually I am telling you.
Yes
So
sir.
that is why I try to repeat this again, because I had a doubt that you are not understood the row
Yes,
number,
sir.
column number idea.
Okay sir.
Now you are able to follow?
Yes sir.
Yeah. So please go through this lesson again
Okay sir.
and try to work out without looking at the what you have already written,
Yes sir.
so that you will get correct idea of which one to substitute, whether to add, subtract, because this
Yes,
we
sir,
are
yes.
doing is called algebraic addition.
Yeah.
That means it can be plus, it can be minus also.
Okay sir.
So A plus B need not be addition always, because it depends on sign of the A and sign of the B.
Yes sir.
If sign of A is negative, sign of B is positive, A plus B means it is still negative only, subtraction.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
So
Yes, sir.
that is why you have to be very careful in simplifying the expression
Yes,
and taking care of the plus minus signs of every element, every item, every number we are using in mathematics.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
And we use only algebra everywhere.
Yes sir.
Therefore, plus minus is very important.
Yes sir.
Okay, we will meet on Monday.
Okay.
But tomorrow and Sunday, you please repeat and practice, so that you will not have doubt. We can continue for the further lesson.
Okay sir.
Okay.